Hey everybody, it's August 18th, so this is 17 weeks of growing hydroponically in my greenhouse. I've got a couple of vines going over to the middle here. A little cucumber of this guy. A bunch of cucumbers here. There's a big patch of them here last week. So we got 3 big ones, a couple smaller ones coming. Little guy there. More tomatoes. And still more tomatoes coming up there. Another guy going across. More flowers. More little ones coming. Yeah, they're still going. A whole bunch of flowers here. But the peppers are going good. These basket of fire ones are really delicious. I've been putting one on almost every meal I cook lately. Took some camping, took some Scotch Bonnets from here camping, and I got a couple more red ones here, which is cool. And some of them are getting bigger, which is nice too. And this hot one here, we got, I think that's Scorpion, Trinidad Scorpion. I still haven't figured out which one's which in this plant. But getting some good sized ass wreckers, I guess you could call them. The super hot peppers. And there's a bunch down here too. Sorry about the light, it's a little late. Yeah, tons of peppers on here. All the basket of fire. Changing color. Got a bunch of cayennes now changing color. Red. These peppers, although they're a little weird looking, are delicious. Serranos. Oh, Serranos starting to change color. Yeah, I like them. More tomatoes. Basil plants going good just in the cracky bucket. So it's just in nutrients and water. This green bean I started 2 weeks ago, I think. Starting to flower, maybe it'll do something, but look at how big the root is here. Crazy. More cucumbers. I'm growing more succulents. These guys are just leaves I took off this guy, which is super healthy, and now I got all these guys that I started a while ago. So they're all getting bigger. Try a few different pots to see what works best. And a couple beer cans, because that's always cool. This one's doing pretty good. Pretty neat. Some of these guys are doing quite well too. Neat to see. So if that one plant I got about 77 more, plus these, plus I could take off a bunch more. More roots, habanero. This guy's still doing good. Thought there was another flower on here. Oh no, there's a little more guy coming down there. A Scotch bonnet like I was talking about. That's just in water. I gotta top this up. It's not pretty, but it's working. Looks good. Celery's working in the back there. This guy's getting some big peppers. I'll have to try those ones out. Sweet banana. This one didn't take off. I just tried transplanting it, I think 3 weeks ago. But maybe I'll dry these seeds and try it next year. The leeks celery, or chives, sorry. Good. This guy still hasn't done much, but you see, kind of a wasted spot this year, really. I got some more peppers going here. Yeah, these Big Berthas, super tasty, really good. The cayenne. Not even much growth, so a lot about it. These will probably be a good one to try in the pepper in a can challenge for next year, like this guy, or like these guys. It's pretty cool to just use a belt sander, like I said last week, to knock the tops off. I haven't put holes in the bottom yet, but you can just hammer a nail through it or something. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm waiting for all those tomatoes to come up there, all these flowers on the top, because that plant's really tasty. Those little orange tomatoes are really good. There's another cucumber coming in there, the pickling ones. Yeah, so pretty good. Happy with it. Gonna have to probably make some hot sauce this week with all these peppers. Try a few different ones. Maybe try adding one of these guys in there. A little scary. There's lots of them coming now. There's that other. Oh, it's really prickly. Good stuff. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.